Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking out how to find your Google account password or recover your Google account password, in this video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just dive right in and get started. So what we can do is we can go over and if you have password, you can view a saved password on your phone. Open up your phone settings for that. And then once you access your phone settings, you can just scroll down, go to the Google option and tap on it. After that, look out for the option for managing a Google account. So tap on that option. And then once you tap on that option, this page opens up. You need to select the option for managing a Google account. So tap on the option for security and sign in. And once you tap on this option, this page opens up. You need to scroll down from the given option and go to the section for password manager, which should be available when you scroll a bit. So tap on password manager. After that, when you go to Passport Manager, you need to look out for google.com here. So find google.com here, and once you find it out, you just need to tap on it, and you need to go ahead and provide in the code and everything. After you provide in your code and your security code or PIN, etc., here in this page, you'll be finding your Google account, and you can just go over and verify your identity, and you can tap on this eye icon to view your saved password for your Gmail. This is one of the method available. If not, what we can do is we can go to the Google's account recovery page. So you can head over to a browser, and under browser you can just go over and type in account.google.com slash sign in slash recovery. So just go over and type in that and hit enter, and that will open up the page. Now here in this page you need to go over and recover your page. So I'm just going to directly type in recover Google account and hit enter, and you'll be finding this one right here, my account.google.com. I just need to go ahead and enter your email address and follow the prompts, and you will be asked to provide a certain information. So just go over and provide it up, and a code will be sent to your recovery email or phone number to answer your security questions. After that, continue following the on-screen instructions to create a new password, and that should also help you. But that is it, everybody. If you want to go ahead and find your Google account password, these are the method available. Usually we do not have a direct feature that allows us to view our Google account password, but if there is a saved password, you can do so, or you can just go ahead and try changing your password by going with the recovery process. So do not forget to give this video a like if this video was helpful to you, and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.